Popeye was a victim of a math error. Spinach isn't a metal mine, it's just a leaf. For decades, everyone thought spinach made you super strong. The reason? People believed it was packed with iron. Iron is important, but it doesn't make you Popeye-level strong. So how did spinach get its superhero reputation? In 1870, a scientist made a tiny mistake, a decimal point in the wrong place. That small slip multiplied the iron content by 10. Suddenly, spinach seemed like a metal powerhouse. But the truth? Spinach only has about 1/10 the iron people thought. It's still healthy, but not magical. Spinach gives you nutrients, fiber, and vitamins, not instant super strength. This teaches us a simple lesson. Science can be human and sometimes silly. Myths spread fast, especially when they sound exciting. Always check the facts before believing the hype. Spinach is good for you, but the real superpower is knowing the truth.